The avian flu, scientifically known as the H5N1 virus, is a highly pathogenic avian influenza that primarily affects birds. But in rare instances, it can jump species. Recently, a person in Texas tested positive for the H5N1 virus after working with dairy cows presumed to be infected. This marked only the second case of H5N1 bird flu in humans in the United States, with the first one reported in a poultry worker in Colorado 2 years ago. It is important to note that the virus has shown the potential to spread to mammals, including cows. In conclusion, the bird flu outbreak does pose a risk to food safety. But more importantly, as with COVID, we must be wary of God's plan. As the scripture says, there will be great earthquakes, and in various places, plagues and famines, and there will be terrors and great signs from heaven. Luke 21, verse 11.